Okay, live. We are 2 seconds live. Invite people to appear.
Hello. Hello, India.
17.
Hi, I'm Aniket Sorode. I'm waiting for people to log in to Facebook. I'm very happy to be a part of this show. Thank you very much, Amul, the Taste of India, for creating this platform for all the chefs all over India, all over the world. Thank you very much, Amul. I'll be starting the show very soon. I have a very simple recipe for you all today: the baked mango yogurt. Basically, I was supposed to prepare this recipe in the college, but as I'm preparing it at home, I'll be steaming the dessert. So good. So you also can do it at home, and I will be starting the recipe very soon. We are waiting for people to log in. Thank you very much once again, Amul, the Taste of India. I'm really happy that they have come up with this simple homemade recipes. And yes, I am also presenting a very simple recipe. It will hardly take me 10 minutes, but let me tell you, chilling time for this is at least 4 to 6 hours. So if you have guests in the evening, see that you prepare in the morning, so that by evening this dessert is it's ready for enjoying. So waiting for people to log in. So let's start off. Namaste, Sasriyakal, Vanakkam, Adab. I would like to welcome you all for this episode of Amul, the Taste of India. I am very, very happy. My name is Chef Aniket Sorode. I was looking forward for this. And again, I would like to be thankful to this great platform created by the Amul team. And I would like to congratulate them and thank them for continuously being after us, giving us tips how to get into Facebook live with you all. So thank you very much. I'm really happy. And on the camera is my soulmate Leena, who's taking care of filming me into this small homemade recipe at home. So thank you very much, Leena. Let's go to this homemade recipe, baked mango yogurt. Obviously, I picked up mango. It is seasonal. You can, whenever the fruit is seasonal, you can even use bananas, you can use strawberries, you can use kiwis. But mango, the national fruit of India, is available in the season. So I picked up the mango here for my baked mango yogurt. I would request Leena to show you all my mise en scene. So I have already kept my steamer ready. I don't have an oven here. In the college I have an oven, so I kept the steamer ready. I have my Amul Mithai Mate, I have my Amul Fresh Cream, and I have my Amul Yogurt. Okay, I already have measured it, and the recipe is mentioned here. You can take a note of it. Amul Mithai Mate is 3/4 cup, Amul Cream 1 cup, Amul Curd 1.5 cup. Obviously, a pinch of elixir. Without salt, nothing will taste better, so a pinch of salt. And as I told you, seasonal fruit. You can use mango now. Mango is the national fruit of India, and obviously it is in season. You can use strawberries when they are in season. You can use the all-time favorite banana. You can use kiwis. You can use the goody nuts. You can use almonds, pistachios, or topping onto your baked steamed mango yogurt. And the cup which I have used, you can use any cup which is at home. This is the cup I have used. So here I have taken 3/4 cup of the Mithai Mate. I can take half cup according to your sweetness. You can take it. Actually, it is 1:1, but I took 3/4 cup because I wanted a little less sweeter. I have taken 1 cup of cream, that is Amul Fresh Cream, and I have taken 1.5 cup of the Amul curd. It's a very simple recipe. So let's start off. And if you see this, actually in the college I have a wire whisk, but I have taken 2 forks here to whip up my curd. So you are going to take this curd into this beautiful bowl here. I've got my mise en scene ready. And with the forks, you can break up the lumps which are there in the yogurt. So see that you stir it nicely till you break up the lumps. It's a very, very easy recipe. 3 essential things from Amul: the Mithai Mate, the curd, the cream, and obviously a pinch of elixir, the magic potion, that is salt. So here using my whisk. So please, this is my whisk at home. So do not buy a whisk or do not buy anything. Please, whatever is there at home, see that you make use of it. Can you see the curd? I have broken all the lumps from it. All the lumps are gone. Now to this, I will add my Mithai Mate. Mithai Mate is nothing but condensed milk. Whatever questions you have, I will be addressing them later on. And I would like to tell you that after this, at 2:30 we have an episode of Akshaya Patra. I am also looking forward to attend that particular session. I have been given 30 minutes, but let me tell you, this recipe is so easy, it's going to get over within the next 15 to 20 minutes. So there I have added the Mithai Mate, that is the condensed milk, and I am whipping this together. And the last but not the least ingredient which is there is the Amul cream. This is the Amul fresh cream which I am using here. I am adding this into the bowl, the Amul fresh cream. I am really happy that Amul came up with this idea in the lockdown. It has really, I have been following Amul on the Facebook, and I am so happy to see so many chefs from all over India and the world participating on this one platform and sharing this easy made home recipes. So remember one thing about this particular recipe, you are going to prepare it. If you want to give it to your children, it has to be super chilled. Many of the Bengalis might be knowing this particular dessert. It is called as Bappa Doi, or it is also called as Bappa. Okay, it is called as Bappa Doi. The Bengalis might be knowing this dessert. It is called as Bappa Doi or Misti Doi. So here the mixture is ready. But one tip what I would like to give you is that I always maybe a custard. I always strain it. So if you are preparing a custard, yes, this is very, very important. This is salt, the elixir, the pinch of salt is very, very important. Do not forget the salt, because the salt will enhance the taste of your baked yogurt. Okay, as I am straining this, obviously I would like to share what I am doing, what I do at home during my COVID. So here I am straining the, always I prefer my baked yogurt. I prefer my baked yogurt to have a very fine texture. Obviously I can directly pour this into the glass or the mold and steam it, but when I eat it, I would like the texture of my baked yogurt to be very smooth. That is why, can you see this? I'm using a tea strainer. So I have not bought any special equipment. Whatever equipment is there at home, I am using that. So this is for all the homemakers. Please do not invest money in buying new things. You can use whatever is there at home. So there I am straining my yogurt, a mixture of yogurt, cream and Mithai Mate. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the dessert is already ready. I have to just strain it, pour it into the glass and steam it for 15 minutes. The steaming time is 15 minutes. So during this lockdown, I would like to tell you what I do. I have a routine set. I get up at 5:30 in the morning. Then I get 30 minutes of my own time in my toilet, where I send my good morning messages to all my friends, colleagues, near dear ones, my mummy, my sister. Then I have a hot glass of water. I have a hot glass of water in which I add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. This water I have, and then I start with my yoga. In the yoga, on a daily basis, I do Surya Namaskar. So by the time I finish my Surya Namaskar, it is 7:30. Then I start cleaning up the house, start helping my soulmate to clean up the house. So sweeping is my job. Sweeping and mopping of the house is my job. On a daily basis, I wash the balconies and I sweep and mop the floors of the house. So this is how I've been keeping myself busy during the COVID. At 9, I get all my course get over for breakfast. On a daily basis, I have fruit. So it will be sometimes papaya, sometimes apple, sometimes pomegranate, whatever is available seasonally. That is what I eat. And then I start off with the online classes. So all my students of the second year and third year at Bharati Vidyapeeth, I know many of you all might have joined today. I hope all of these students are my inspiration. So I also teach the subject environmental and sustainable tourism, and that is why I am against. So I and my wife also take care of tree parenting. We try to produce as less as garbage possible, and we recycle all our wet garbage. This goes into the wash basin here. So this is ready. The salt is gone here. Now I'll be filling this up into the glasses. So I've kept the glasses ready. Can you see this? The glasses are ready. And I have kept some silver foil here to cover it, because when it's steaming, the steam should not enter the glass. So whatever you have at home. So I have these glasses. So I didn't buy anything. So whatever was available at home, that is what I'm setting it into. And here is my strained mixture of Mithai Mate, Amul cream and yogurt. So always fill it half a glass is more than enough. There it is. So 3 glasses and it's ready. And I have shown you the cup. And the sweetener, it all depends on you. If you want it less sweet, add less of the Mithai Mate. But the recipe says 1:1. 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of Mithai Mate. But yet I have only taken 3/4 bowl of Mithai Mate. Okay, coming back here, I'm very happy that my soulmate is reviewing the video, and she's doing a great job. That is what I can see. Now I'm going to cover this with silver foil. Silver foil, beautiful. When you're doing it, when you look at it, you can see the love. So whenever my wife cooks food at home, actually I've learned a lot from her. I've learned a lot from my mother. I've learned a lot from my mother-in-law. So always when they start cooking their food, the first thing they do is they say a mantra and they say, Annapurna Devi, please keep my food safe and nutritious. So that is what I've learned from my mother, from my mother-in-law, and from my soulmate, that is Leena. So let's put it for baking now. I'm sorry, steaming. If I was in college, I would have baked it in a water bath. And here it goes. 1, 2, 3. The recipe says, obviously the recipe which Leena has shown you. Can you see this? I have kept the gas. Can you show this? Yes. The gas is at its lowest, and keep it slow. You are going to keep this for 15 minutes. You are going to keep this for 15 minutes. Now, I have already given it to you in the recipe, but keep that in mind. After 15 minutes, please don't be in a hurry to remove the glasses from the steamer. Please don't be in a hurry. Close the gas. Let the glasses remain in the bain-marie, in the water. Let it remain in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you are going to remove the glasses from the water, and then keep them till the whole mixture comes to room temperature, and then put it into the refrigerator. Not the deep freezer, into the refrigerator, 5 degrees centigrade, for at least minimum 4 to 6 hours to enjoy the baked yogurt. Okay, a very good example obviously is from Bengal, Misti Doi or Bapa Doi. Instead of condensed milk or the Mithai Mate, you also can use jaggery to make it more nutritious. So till this is happening, what I have done is I have already prepared the baked mango yogurt, so that I cannot wait for 15 minutes. I have been given very less time, because the next session which is going to happen on the Amul Taste of India is Akshaya Patra, and I am looking forward to join this session and learn more about Akshaya Patra. So let's go to the fridge and let's remove what I have prepared for you. So here it is. I've already prepared this. It's already chilled for more than 6 hours. Early in the morning I had prepared this and I kept it ready. There it is. So remember, you have to first, once 15 minutes are over, don't be in a hurry to remove the baked yogurt from the container. Let it remain there, let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then you're going to remove it from the container, keep it out till it comes back to room temperature, and then you're going to put it for chilling. Can you please get the camera a little forward and show them how the yogurt has come out? So this is how it is. It is set. Can you see this? It is set and it is nicely chilled. Can you see this? It is set and nicely chilled. Beautiful. Okay, now I am going to show you. I am going to top it with mango. I'm going to top it with mango now, and here I've got some mango ready. So when you prepare, basically, let's wash this mango nicely. Basically, when you prepare the baked yogurt, I would request you to also get your mango ready. Okay, I'll just show you one of the mangoes. I've already prepared it and kept it for you, but I'll just show this to you. So here is my beautiful knife. Obviously, this is my good friend at home. Was gifted to me by one of my students, Chirag Nair, actually. So here it is. I always use the kadappa at home to sharpen my knife. Beautiful. There I clean my knife. Take care. Don't cut your hand here. This I will have to put the skins. So I take this. So here I'm going to peel the mango. Beautiful. So using this beautiful knife which was gifted to me by Chirag Nair, one of my students, I am peeling the mango. Mango is a national fruit of India, and we look forward for this beautiful fruit which is the king of fruits. This is the Alfonso mango. Here I have peeled it out and now I am going to cut it. So already I have chilled some mango already, and I just wanted to show you all this, that how you can cut the mango into dices without using a chopping board. Take care of your hands, please. Again, I would like to thank Amul for giving me this chance of coming on this great show. And the initiative, I am really happy the initiative taken by Amul and so many chefs around the world we get to see. Thank you once again, Amul.
Yeah.
And I am really proud that many of my
Repeat
students
the
today,
recipe again.
so many of my students today from Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies, Ravi Mumbai, will be seeing this show. Students as well as ex-students. Obviously, they have been my inspiration. I have many of my students who do daily shows on YouTube, and I get inspired by them. So it's a give and take relationship. Let me just keep this into the wash basin. So here I am ready. So for the final touch, on one side you see that my baked mango yogurt is getting steamed, but yes, I have kept something ready for you here so that we can start showing you the presentation. Obviously, this to make your dish more appealing to your eye, to your children, to yourself. It is very important. See, in this I am not going to add any sugar. The sugar which is there in this is more than enough, and there I am going to top my baked yogurt with mango. And we are going to relish this. Obviously, we had a lunch at 1 o'clock. Lena had prepared continental food today. We had some chicken colbert with mashed potatoes, and we had some grilled okra, grilled brinjals. So here we have a touch of beautiful mint leaves, so that colors, the beautiful colors of white, the orange, the saffron and the green. So here is my baked mango yogurt. I would like to thank my, obviously everything, if you see the mise en scene, in the mise en scene, all my soulmate took care of, helping me. She was pushing me, she was helping me. We had 2-3 takes before we could actually present this to you, because we wanted to make it the best for Amul, so that because Amul has created such a big platform. I'm really proud to talk about Amul, because I remember right from my childhood, bun maska, agar maska ho to Amul ka ho, brun maska, agar maska ho to Amul ka ho. So pav bhaji ho, or pav bhaji agar butter ho to Amul ka ho. So I'm not making any advertisement of Amul, but yes, Amul is an Indian brand, and I'm very thankful to Amul for giving me this chance and presenting our dessert for today. And I would like you to make it. It's very simple. You must have seen this. It's very simple. It is baked mango yogurt. You can use any seasonal fruit. You can, as mangoes are there now, I took mangoes. You can use bananas, you can use the goody nuts, you can use strawberry during season. So let's try this out. So should we try it out? Okay, before we try it out, just have a recap of the recipe, please. I'll just repeat it again. Amul Mithai Made 3/4 cup, Amul cream 1 cup, Amul curd 1.5 cup, pinch of salt, very important. It's the elixir, it's the magic potion. Seasonal fruit, mango, you can use bananas, you can use the goody nuts, you can use strawberry, you can use kiwi. Then the method: beat yogurt and curd, add Mithai Made and cream, add a pinch of salt, strain the mixture. That is very, very important if you want the texture of the yogurt to be, the baked yogurt to be very smooth. Pour into glasses, molds, whatever you have at home, cover with a silver foil, steam for 15 minutes. As I already told you, do not remove it from the container at least for 10 minutes after closing the gas. Let it rest. After resting, then you remove it out from the container and let it rest till it comes to room temperature. After it comes to room temperature, you're going to chill it for 4 to 6 hours. And obviously, as I showed it to you, top it with mango. So I'm going to crash into it. Can you see this? Can you see the texture of? Can you see this? The texture.
Hold it still.
Can you see the texture of this? It's smooth. It's not grainy. It is due to straining. The straining of the yogurt has done the magic. So actually, before I taste, it's always said that you give it to your soulmate or to your Annapurna. So let me. Yes. Can you turn the camera, please, Leena? Okay. Here. Okay. I think she's feeling shy, but yes, one to her. And cheers, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy today for presenting this beautiful, quick homemade dessert to all of you out there, to all the lovely people out there. Thank you very much. So I'm relishing it now. Lajawab. My students always say, my dialogue at college is beautiful. It's more than beautiful. I am really enjoying it.
Okay, somebody's asking you.
Okay. Any questions? I think
Why do we bake it?
Why do you
Bake it.
It has to set. Actually, we bake it to set it. Like a pudding, it will get set like a custard. So today you saw, actually for your cheesecakes also, for the cheesecake, baked cheesecakes in the college, we use eggs. We use mascarpone cheese. And when we bake it, but we have to bake it in a water bath. It is to set the mixture. Can you see this? It is set. If you don't bake it, it will not set. And here, without eggs, only by using Mithai Made and cream and steaming it for 15 minutes, we have set it. So it is very important for baking. Any more questions we have?
Which is the knife you're using? Kana.
It is the actually this was given by Kanha. Okay, the brand is basically Katini. I'm using Katini knives.
And is it microwave safe, the glasses?
The glass, actually I am against using microwaves. I don't use microwave oven. So that is what I have read. As a chef, we read many things and sometimes you start following it because they say that it is cancerous. So sorry, I am really not done any research on it, but I have listened to some people and I have stopped using microwave. I boil my water, I steam my water and I drink it. Okay, and obviously I am an aquaguard today, so that is what I do. Any more questions are there, Leena, for me?
No. From where are you?
Okay, basically I am from. I am actually presenting the show from Navi Mumbai. I stay in Kharghar. My native place is Goa. Now, one beautiful place. I am very longing to go. Every May I go to my house in TV, which is in Bardez, North Goa. But this year, due to COVID, I could not go. But yes, very soon, I might visit Goa in a year, next year. I think most probably next year. Any more questions? So should we call it a day? Thank you very much. I would like to thank the Amul team for supporting me throughout this 15 days. They were continuously giving me back support. They told me how to get into Facebook. And thank you very much once again, Amul, the Taste of India. We love you all. Thank you very much. And the last, you can just have a look at the recipe before we call it a day.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want me to, is it 15 minutes up? 15 minutes are there. So it is, just before we go, just to show you all, can you see I've kept it at a slow, okay? And just let me, as I told you, I don't want you to remove the glasses from this. I don't want you to remove the glasses, but let me see if it is done. Yes. Can you see this? I have removed the silver foil. It is set. Can you see? It is set. Almost set. See this? It is set. It is set. You can also put a knife and see actually into that. If it's set or no. You can put a knife. Sorry, you can put a knife. There it is. See? Yes. A little more to go actually. 15 minutes are required and you have to keep this in the, in the container. Should not do a hurry to remove it. Okay, and then chill it for 6 hours. Okay.
Okay, glass won't break while steaming.
Yes, I have been. Can you see this? I'll remove it and show it to you. So see that the glass is not broken here. Okay, I'll remove this one and show it to you here. So I've been doing this. I've practiced this. So here it is. Let me tell you all the desserts.
It's not broken.
It's not. It will not break. Do not worry. Okay, and as I told you, keep it on a slow flame, very slow flame, the least flame possible. It will not break. Okay. So should we say bye bye? Thank you very much. God bless you all. Shabba khair.
Finish.